How to make your computer 10 times faster. You're going to click the Windows button. Then you're going to click the Settings. Then go to the System. Scroll down and click About. Then you're going to go to the Advanced System Settings. In the card performance, click Settings, and then click Adjust for best performance. Apply, OK, and done. The next thing is press Win+R. Write misconfig and hit Enter. In System Configuration, choose Boot, then click on Advanced Options. Then click on a number of processors and choose the highest number. At the end, press Restart.